Speak English by describing scenes, Part 2. Stay tuned for the vocabulary at the end of the video. A busy railway station. Scene description. This is a busy railway station. A long train is standing on the platform. The train is white with red and black doors. Many passengers are walking beside the train. Some people are getting ready to board, and some are leaving the station. In the front, a young woman is looking at her phone. She is wearing a beige coat and carrying a black handbag. Behind her, a man and a woman are walking together. The man is wearing a light brown jacket and carrying a black travel bag. The woman beside him is pulling a small black suitcase with wheels. Both of them look like they are traveling for work. On the right side, two friends are walking and smiling. One man is wearing a green jacket, and the other woman is wearing a beige coat. They seem happy and are talking to each other. In the background, more passengers are walking in different directions. Some people look serious and focused, as if they don't want to miss their train. Others are moving slowly, enjoying their time. The station roof is long and covers the passengers on the platform. A blue sign with the number 4 shows the platform number. The whole scene feels lively, busy, and full of travel energy. Here is the vocabulary from the railway station scene. 1. Platform. The flat area beside the train where people stand before getting on or after getting off. 2. Passenger. A person who is traveling in a train, bus, airplane, or car but not driving it. 3. Luggage. Bags, suitcases, or other items that people carry when they travel. 4. Suitcase. A box-shaped bag with a handle, used for carrying clothes and things when traveling. 5. Handbag. A small bag carried by women, usually for personal items like a wallet, phone, or keys. 6. Travel bag. A medium-sized bag used for carrying things during a journey. 7. Depart. When a train, bus, or plane leaves a place. 8. Arrive. When a train, bus, or plane reaches a place. 9. To get onto a train, bus, or plane. 10. Focused. Paying full attention to something, not distracted. 11. Roof. The top covering of a building or structure here. The station roof covers the platform. 12. Sign. A board with words or numbers that gives information, example platform 4. 13. Journey. Traveling from one place to another. 14. Station. The place where train stops so people can get on or off. 15. Energy. The feeling of activity, excitement and movement in a place. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing English every day and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.